friends, I'm setting up the Azone security camera, and basically I'm just going to screw this sideways into the wall here in the garage. Now this camera isn't very heavy, and I'm just basically screwing it right into the sheetrock here. These aren't the screws it came with, and you can use sheetrock anchors if you want. If you're screwing it into wood, this will work as well. One more for good measure, and we are ready to go. So setup was quite easy. Just follow the instructions in the app. Comes with this nice little tool here. So your device, you might think you're limited here to what it can do, but actually has a lot of movement on here. So you simply loosen up your different Allen wrench keys here, and this can rotate 360 degrees if you want it to. Okay, just like that, we can rotate it. And also I'm going to loosen up this one, get it to where I want it to be. And then this one also right here at the top allows it to rotate so we can keep our camera level. So you have all these different little ones, and you can rotate your camera pretty much any way you want with these 3 different ones. So it's really flexible and versatile. So go ahead and rotate that way. Rotate the camera around this way, like that. That's where I want it. Okay. That's kind of a handy little tool here I gave you. That's pretty nice. I'm just going to screw this in here. Make sure it's nice and snug. And our camera's not going to go anywhere. Where's the other screw right here at the top? And it's actually pretty solid right now. So there we have it, my friends. So that's installed right there. I have it plugged in. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like here in the different view modes as well. So that's a quick setup. I didn't use the screws that it came with, but you guys can see pretty much how the install is super easy. If you can drive in a screw, you can set this thing up. So we'll be right back. Alright friends, so the setup was super easy also with this camera. Just scanned this app, downloaded it. Once I plugged the camera in, started beeping. Recognized it right away. Just did all little sign up things. It was super easy. That's about it. I'm going to show you like kind of a screenshot or a screen of the actual camera and things like that and how it's working. So yeah, the setup was quite easy. It took me probably less than 2 or 3 minutes. So alright, let's go to that then. Okay friends, so here we are. We're going to open up the YILOT IoT app. Tap here to see what your camera sees. And it takes a little bit of time for it to get connected, but other than that, it's all good. So there's my van, and there we are, walking around. So the camera's pretty good. Let's turn off. I'm going to click the sound. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? A little bit of feedback there. So you can record the length, select video length, a bunch of different options here. You do alerts. Has a bunch of different stuff. You can sign up for cloud, save stuff on the cloud if you want to, or you just turn off the sound or watch live on your thing. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the lights, and we'll see how good the night vision is here. Okay, Alright, it's like pitch black in here. I'll run into my van. But as you can see, works pretty good. I mean, I'm watching myself here on the thing. Oh, what's he doing? Oh, what's that guy? Okay, so works great. Nice little camera. Night vision works good. Everything seems to work pretty nice on here. Tells a lot of stuff. The date and everything, you can record it. Like, I'm not sure exactly how much the cloud thing is. I think it's comparable to pretty much other cloud storage, so if you get with other security cameras, so works pretty good. Let's go on to the final review, my friends. All right, I'm just gonna set up the smart detection real quick and go to the settings icon up in the right hand corner, and settings inside smart settings right there in the middle. Motion detection, we can turn that on. Human detection, so it can send alert when human is detected. Sensitivity level high. Alert when abnormal sound or help or baby crying sound are detected. That's pretty cool. Oh, it's not turning that on for some reason. Oh, because I have my sound turned off. So let's turn that on. We can kind of check that out and see what it does here. So let's go back. Smart detection. Okay. So if I go off camera, if it come on camera here, let's see if it recognizes me or not. Sometimes you have to reset the camera or unplug it and plug it back in for it to take effect there with that. Hello? Hello? Help! Help! Okay, let's try to turn on the let's see, smart camera settings. Oops. Settings. And then abnormal sound. Oh, you can only do it after you buy the cloud. Okay, that's cool. That's all right. Still has the other settings. It's pretty neat. So, all right, now we're going to go on to the final review, my friends. Hello, friends. Final thoughts on the Azone outdoor security camera. The setup was quite easy and not intimidating. As far as setting up the app, I think I mentioned it was less than 3 minutes, so not bad at all. Pretty user-friendly. The installation was a snap too, just for the 4 screws. You can mount it pretty much anywhere you want. Just make sure you're within a plug-in and 15 meters of your Wi-Fi spot. The picture was quite clear. Audio was a little better than I'm used to with other cameras I've checked out, so I was pretty happy with that. It does have, you do have to have cloud storage to enable to activate certain or unlock certain aspects of the app, which is pretty much standard operation with most of these security cameras, it seems like. It's fully adjustable as far as the angles and wherever you're going to put it, so someone was thinking when they did that, it seems really quite sturdy. The outside it doesn't seem like it's going to get rusted or anything too quickly. All in all, seems like a nice little camera. So thanks for watching this review and setup video. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You guys can check out this camera. It runs about $60 on Amazon. So everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.